Alright guys, this is not going to be one of your traditional videos because nothing has really happened when it comes to altcoin season or fear and greed or in the economic calendar today. The economic calendar was pretty much dry today, guys. So yeah, I mean, I could show you crypto bubbles here. I mean, it's popping off all over the place. CRO 58%, guys. I mean, where to start making videos here? I mean, there's just so many cryptos that are, popping off at the moment, guys. So let's take a quick look at Near. This is my second biggest coin, one of my favorites, guys, and I do believe this is going to make many, many, many people very rich. Now, I am looking at the volume here. You can see that we haven't had such volume basically since August 5th. Now, that's going to be for many cryptos because that's the day we had a mega drop, and yeah, a lot of alts and Bitcoin really suffered on that day, guys. So I'm actually surprised to see such a high volume here with Near. But yeah, Near did fall back quite a bit. I mean, it was like $3. I mean, that's insane, guys. If you picked it up there, great. Near is still in the reaccumulation zone, trying to break $5.17 here on the daily time frame. Now, if we can break 552 on the weekly time frame, even better. And we got to get out of the reaccumulation zone here, guys. So, looking better for Near. Nothing, it's not mega bullish yet. We still got to get above, basically this little area here. And basically, I just want to see us clear this Fibonacci and get out, guys. Then I'll be a little bit more bullish on Near. I love Near, guys. Excellent coin. Now, let me get rid of this, and I want to put the RSI, and I want to see the stochastic. So this is kind of important, guys. On the daily time frame, we are getting almost, overbought here on the daily time frame. Now, the Stoch RSI is really high, guys. That's not good. Basically, you can see it's at levels. It can remain here for a while, but it's really, overbought at the moment. So keep that in mind on the daily time frame. Let me look quickly at the weekly. Weekly is not bad, guys. It's better than Bitcoin, I can say. So it could have room to run long term. Now on the 4-hour, it's basically overbought here again. Now it is falling a little bit here on the Stoch RSI. The hourly, guys, actually this is not too bad. This is, almost an oversold, which is kind of weird, seeing that we're going up so much. But we do have a red candle here in the last hour or so, and a couple hours ago we got another red candle. So yeah, maybe it's trying to return to normal levels before that next pump in the short term. Let me just see the 15-minute, although the 15-minute isn't really a chart that you really want to consider. It's not really a long-term chart. Even the 1 hour is kind of short, guys. But it's actually coming up here in the short term. And on Stoch RSI, and the RSI is coming down, it looks like, but it may, tick back up. We'll see. Although it doesn't indicate that right now. Also, guys, I do want to look at Bitcoin. And basically, looking at this, it's really hard to talk about Bitcoin right now. There's not much to say because it's just going up, guys. It's just there's no telling when this is going to stop. Now, looking at the RSI, this is the 15-minute chart, guys. So it's very short time frame. It's overbought here basically on RSI. It's in normal levels basically with the Stoch, but it looks like it's going to go up and get to overbought soon. Now, the 1 hour is too high on both RSI and Stoch RSI. Now, 4-hour, same, guys. It's really high. That's not good to see. Now, if we take a look here on the daily, it's high again, guys. On the weekly, again, very high. So I'm warning you that probably Bitcoin is going to cool down here in the short term here. I know a lot of you probably don't want to hear that. It's bad news, I guess, but yeah, it looks like it's going to cool down. So let me get rid of this volume here so we can see this just a little bit better. It's hard to fit all these charts, guys, but you can see on the weekly time frame, I mean, we were just rocketing up, guys. And yeah, I mean it's really overbought right now on the Stoch RSI, and the RSI is just it's getting there too. So we'll see who's right, guys. You can think about taking profits and waiting for that pullback. I mean, we've just gone up so quickly, and we do have a gap still at 76,400, I believe, CME gap. Now, that doesn't have to get filled, and we're really far from that. So, will we ever fill it? Probably in the bear market. I think we will. But we have to wait and see, guys. I mean, this is just amazing. So, let me show you the dominance real quick. Let me refresh this. It always pulls up that stupid thing here, join for free. Yeah, again, guys, basically we had a top up here at about 60, almost 61%, where my little cursor is here. And we had a big drop. That's when you saw a lot of alts really, gain. But right now, Bitcoin is getting a bounce, and it's bounced back about a full percent. So, we had actually, I think lost about 2% on Bitcoin dominance almost, or at least about a percent and a half. But it's bounced back, well, at least a 0.5%. It looks like about a 0.5%. So, maybe 0.7 or something. Anyways, you can see, guys, it's bouncing up. That's not good for alts. We need this to come down, and the alts will gain then. So, yeah, guys, we'll see what happens here in the short term. Not trying to be negative, but I just want to warn you, about Near here. And like I said, it's one of my favorite alts. And right now it does look like it's getting a little green candle here in the 15-minute, but we just have to wait and see, guys. So be careful. If you're going to buy something, you might want to wait for a pullback. That's not financial advice, though, guys. Like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, guys.